Hey everybody, welcome back to Kristen's Decor. Today I'm going to do 3 separate Halloween crafts. I'm going to show you what I purchased and we're going to work on one project one by one. First, I got this little wooden crate at the Dollar Tree. I painted it ahead of time so it's dry to show you guys. They had these cute little crates that slide in and out, and I got some tea lights to put in them. So I'm gonna create a little candy basket with that. Then I got this tin, some of these fun little pumpkin glitter guys, and some flowers, and some of the little candies. I got Twix and Reese's Pieces. So we're gonna make a fall little candy bouquet. Last, I got this cool cup that has this creepy little hand, a bag of eyeballs, and 2 spiderweb bowls. And I got some Skittles and some of the artificial jewelry candy, the little candy bracelets and rings. So we are gonna make a candy container with that, candy bouquet, and a little candy box. So they're all little candy projects. So let's get to it. Now we're gonna work on our little pumpkin candy bouquet. So I started making 2 of them. You're gonna put 3 candies on each stick. So you wanna make 5 or 6 sticks to make sure that you have your bouquet filled up. All right, last one. We're gonna make our little candy container, like candy, I don't know what the hell to call it. But anyways, let's get this cool cup and we're gonna glue it in here, put some eyeballs, and then stack the other one and add our candy. Candy dish. Spiderweb candy dish. We're gonna add some eyeballs in here. So we're looking at you, little creepsters. And then we're gonna move this closer to me, and you're gonna glue around the edges again. little candy dish. Simple, cute. Tell me what you think in the comments. I hope you liked my video tonight. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on notifications. Have a great night.